All right, so welcome downshifters. So if you guys can see, we are at the Ford dealership. So what does that mean? We're soon gonna find out. But you see there goes Christian with the salesman. I'm gonna pause it for right now, and we're gonna go ahead and walk over and see what's about to happen today. All right, guys. So if this gives you a hint of what we're looking at today. Check it out, guys.
What's the main?
So let me know, Christian, what are we doing here?
We're checking out the new Ford Bronco, and I guess now they have also a vintage collection of all these other Broncos, which is pretty neat. Yeah, it looks nice. I really like it. I'm excited.
All right. So that's what we're here for. We're gonna check out the Bronco.
We came a little late, so hopefully they let us see it inside. We'll see. If not, I mean, I could still see it, but it'll be nice to have like an interior view.
So
Where's the line?
Christian got lucky.
I got lucky.
You know, lady was nice. So we're checked in. We're gonna go ahead and check out the two vehicles that we're probably more than likely be able to sit inside, check it out, ask questions, and just go all around it. So definitely that's his Christian's opportunity to really figure out if this is the car he wants to get. So we'll probably find out by the end of this video how excited he is. So yeah,
I'm already pretty excited.
we're gonna have to wait in line a bit. So there is a line to look at the car. There's people waiting. We just, like I said, we just finished the registration right here. But yeah, we're checked in. We're gonna give it a wait. Alrighty, guys, we'll get back in a minute.
Well, welcome. My name is Amanda, and today is a very special day because today is preview day. We are showcasing the all-new 2021 Ford Bronco before it even hits the roads, ladies and gentlemen. Ford has really designed everything, has put everything in this vehicle to really personalize it and make it your own. So as you know, we have 7 different trim levels that you can choose from. We have our base, our Big Bend, we have our Black Diamond, we have our Outer Banks to my left, to your right, we have Badlands, Wild Track, and First Edition. Now we also have 12 different exterior colors that you can choose from. This is our Cactus Gray. This is one of the most popular ones in our lineup, as well as Area 51, which is another popular one too. And then this is our Shadow Black. So lots of fun colors that you can choose from, again, making it your own. And we have 2 different engines that you can choose from. We have a 2.3 liter EcoBoost engine that's going to give you 270 horsepower. It's a class exclusive 7-speed manual transmission, and you're going to see that underneath the hood of our Black Diamond here. It also, you can opt for a 10-speed automatic as well. Now, underneath the hood of our Outer Banks has our 2.7 liter EcoBoost V6 engine that's going to give you 310 horsepower. Now, the thing that I love about Bronco, about our lineup, is that each trim level is specifically tuned for it. It's very different. They're all very unique. So every trim level has a different grille. So as you see here on our Black Diamond, it has that fun matte carbonized gray grille, and every trim level has different wheels as well. So again, with our Black Diamond, we have 32-inch wheels, 32-inch tires, excuse me, with 17-inch wheels, specifically tuned for the Black Diamond. And as you see here with our Outer Banks, we have that beautiful high gloss, a shadow black grille that will go on your Outer Banks. And then we have 32-inch tires with 18-inch rims. Now, some fun features that I want to point out on both of them is, for example, the front bumper here. It is our heavy-duty module front bumper. Now that's standard in our Black Diamond as well as our other trim levels. We have some other trim levels that have that standard as well. But example right here, our Outer Banks does not come with the heavy-duty module front bumper, but you can add to it if you want. You can add to and make it a heavy-duty front module bumper. That is an option for you. Also, you can add that brush guard too that you see right here. Now, as we continue on the side of the vehicle, we have, as you see here, one of the doors is completely removed. So what Ford has designed, which is really amazing, Ford has designed that you can take off all 4 doors and you can store them in the back. Now I want to show you this bag here. So these are part of our accessories. We have over 300 accessories that you can choose from. One of them being these really awesome bags. And the bags are nicely labeled. They will show you what door belongs to that bag and how to store it in the back. So I highly recommend the bags. They have several different little grip areas where you can lift the door and you store them in the back. It also comes with this harness, so they all hook together nicely, neatly, and securely in the back, which is really, really, really nice. Now, another great thing about the Ford Broncos here is that we have three different interior designs that you can choose from. We have cloth, we have military grade vinyl that you'll see in the black diamond, and we have leather. Now for the outer banks, you have 2 options of cloth, you have 2 options of leather. What you see inside there is the black onyx with rose, which is really nice. Now, our outer banks that you see here, you'll be able to sit in it in a little bit here, has our Luxe package. So it really has all the bells and whistles in there for you. Lots of technology, lots of creature comforts in there for you. We have the 12-inch touchscreen, which is really awesome. It's our new infotainment system. It's our Sync 4 system. It lets you control your phone, your navigation, your entertainment, your climate all in one place. Now, as you see to your right, when the door that is off, you notice that the side view mirror is still on, which I really appreciate. Now let's talk about the rooftops. We have 3 different rooftops that you can choose from. We have a soft top, as you see here on both of these models, and it folds in 3 different positions. So this is position 1 on our outer banks, and then you can lift it up for position 2, and then position 3 you'll see on our black diamond here, and then you can completely remove it as well if you'd like. It's about 110 pounds. I recommend a friend with you when you remove that if you decide to do so, and you can leave it in your garage. In the back here we have a swing lift gate, and it opens 90 degrees as well as 155 degrees. All Broncos are 4x4 capability. That's standard. All Broncos come standard with a rear view camera, which is really nice. So the first time I got to drive a Bronco, it was Antimatter Blue, Black Diamond, and it had the Sasquatch package, which was 35-inch mud terrain tires. They're really, really amazing. You can get that Sasquatch package on any trim level, which I think is really cool. A really great feature that, again, Ford has designed in this lineup. So any Bronco, you can remove the fender flares. You can remove them. You can, if you want to do a hardcore extreme off-roading, no problem. If you want to change and get bigger fender flares, you can too. And anywhere that you see these Bronco bolts, they say Bronco on them when you get to see them up close and personal, you can remove them and really personalize them. Again, over 300 accessories, so you can really build this Bronco out, which is really, really cool. Well, you guys, thank you so much for your time.
Oh, here are the auxiliary. So let's go more in detail. Here are the auxiliary switches. So if you want to put like what would it be, like KC lights?
If you want to do like a compression, like the dual ARB compression.
Here are the mirrors. This is how you do your GOAT modes: 4 low, 2 high, 4 high.
Oh, that's crazy.
Yeah,
that's totally different right there.
Yep.
You know, then one of the first things that I noticed.
Oh yeah, so you could grab, because when you're going on trails, like this thing goes, like you could go in on Baja mode. It goes fast. Like I see people on YouTube, they're going like 60-70 miles on this thing, and they're on Baja mode. So they're grabbing onto this thing. Crazy, because they're like scared.
That's nice. That's a really nice like touch to it.
What else? Here's the options. Like I believe it's to disconnect the front, the sway bar.
Okay, disconnect the sway bar links.
Yeah, I should ask them.
Those are your hero switches.
Okay.
So that's a rear locking differential button.
Oh, that's what it is. Okay.
That's pretty cool. Just has like a latching system to take off the top.
Oh, this right here?
We do hard top.
Yeah, I got a hard top.
But will that do the same thing?
That's a great question. Do you know if the since this is a soft top, would it work the same way with a hard top? Like you just pull this latch?
No, there's 3 swivel latches.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, swivel latches that you have to.
Kind of like the Jeep.
I haven't been in a Jeep recently, but I'm sure that's similar concept.
Kind of. Yeah, it's kind of more like a twist.
Yeah, twist.
Yeah, I think the Jeep has the same thing. Yeah, my jeans are too tight for this. All right, guys. So the Bronco here.
Yeah.
In person. Check it out.
LCD.
How big is the LCD screen?
Huh?
You know,
Yeah, that's the Lux package. So the one that I got is smaller.
so
than
this is a black diamond Lux package.
This is the Outer Banks Lux package.
Oh, Outer Banks Lux package with
You
the
said it was a 2.7?
2.7
Yeah.
seats interior. Also, once again, just like the Jeep,
You got a lot of room back here. And it's
you get
actually
your
really-
windows up and down right in the center.
It's super comfortable back here. It's super comfortable back here.
All right.
Right?
Kind
Go back all the way actually.
Oh, that makes sense.
Yeah. Go up a little bit.
Then the door panels fit in the back of the trunk. So designed, I guess, to fit in the back of the trunk.
If I want to remove, I'm driving, I want to take the top half of just me.
I think this just comes
The
off.
passenger still has theirs, right?
Yep, if they, yep.
On that four-piece one that you said, right?
Yep, correct. Even in the two-door one. See, for the two-door, which has 3 keys, the two-door,
You could probably show us how it looks.
have an open area for your
What's the other one?
Huh?
The other one's opened already.
you can keep that one out. Just for the 2 keys.
Oh, this one takes easy fuel. They're easy.
Easily takes your gas.
To like heat up.
Oh, no, I didn't notice that.
Kind of right here.
Accessory,
I didn't
look,
notice it at
accessory
all,
ready.
yeah.
You can just start
And it's funny
modulating
because
it.
I-
So what accessory can you put here?
Like the thing you have.
Oh, like a table?
Yeah, look, you just put.
Anything else? Do you know?
Not that I know of yet, but I'm sure there's gonna be a lot of stuff.
Yeah, so I love the dual climate option.
Oh, so you can get the dual climate
Yep,
option.
and that will be in the mid. So the Black Diamond has a standard package, so it's kind of a bearable.
Okay.
So if you want more of those creature comforts,
Yeah.
everything has a bad.
And then the Batman's the middle one.
Order of like pricing, not like
It has your 12 volt back here, lighting in the back. This would be nice if my Jeep had lights in the back. Can you put the seat in the back though?
Yeah,
Oh, you can. Because of the seat in the front, you can. Oh. I mean, if you're an overlander, you're trying to sleep in your car, this might work for you. Or you're just going off-roading for the day, you could put all your stuff in here. So you could definitely sleep back here if you're doing overlanding. Well, it's kind of comparable to a Jeep, I think.
My wife doesn't, her temperature's completely different off of mine.
Okay, no, I think
Okay, I did. It was the standard, you know? So I was able to keep it alive.
Right.
A decade and a half.
And the black no, they're 8 for the
I mean, it does have a lot of different details.
right here, look, you could latch on stuff. It goes up to 150 pounds each one. It just goes up here.
Yeah, this is for when you're going off-roading and you put the one for the scratch resistance. So yeah, you put the wire here. So my understanding, the lady said there's about 300 accessories. Anything that has a bolt on it, the Bronco bolt, basically means that there's an accessory for it and you can modify. So I think what Bronco did here is give the customers a lot of off-roading options, accessories. So
Got it?
This is the 2.7, right?
2.7, yep.
I mean, it seems like there's enough room for either an external and a second battery, maybe like on this side, or if you want to put like a compressor, you can probably put a compressor here, like to air up and air down if you want to do it here. I mean, you know what? It has like a lot of room. That's the only cool thing. There's like a lot of room to like work on it compared to other cars.
Extra stuff, right?
No, compared to other cars, like usually everything's like so tight. Like in the in the Jeep, everything's really compacted. So if you need to work on something or do a modification inside your Jeep, it's like pretty difficult. But the good thing about this one is you could tell there's enough space. There's enough space to either add some mods, either your ARB compressor like the one that I have to inflate or disinflate. You could probably put a dual battery system in here because there's probably enough room for it. So that's all. I guess that's the cool thing about it. We have a couple of options on the inside, and so you can just probably get into it a little bit better. Look at this, and then it has the drain to literally just put your hose in there, and then
yeah, they come with drain plugs, so you could drain it out. Easy to clean. And this one's this one's stick shift.
Here's the drain plug for the water. These seats, I don't know what this. It's like a very different vinyl, but from my understanding is what goes on the boats. You guys can see that it's pretty thoughtful detail there. Once again, the handles. Everything else is pretty much the same. Get to trim some of the tires and rims. To get a different grill. Even though this is still a plastic grill.
Yeah, it's a plastic
grill.
I got the headlights to look like this. It's nice, the difference. These are full LED, these are semi-LED. But I like this look better.
Look. You could take off the fenders. You want to change it or you want no fenders, because if you're rock crawling, you still need some type of protection. But everything else is pretty much the same.
Alright, so we just finished the event. The Bronco showing that they had today. It's a buy for me. Simply because, you know, it's new, it has all the features that you could use when you go off-roading. I got it with the 2.7 10-speed automatic. I got the Cactus Gray, and it's going to be, what model was it that I got? The Big Bend. So it's gonna be pretty basic, but over time, like, I'll be adding more features to it. And I look forward to doing more trips with my sister and the people that I meet along the way. They say that the expected time that I should get the vehicle is around July, August. And actually, I was one of the last people to actually get an allocation spot because each dealer, they get a certain amount of Broncos per dealership. The dealer I got, which was in San Diego, they gave out 150 of them, and I was 148. So I got real lucky. I look forward, hopefully in a couple months, you'll be seeing me cruise out with a Cactus Gray Bronco. Look forward to see you guys in the future. Cheers.
That concludes today's video. Once again, thank you, downshifters, and we'll see you in the next one. Hopefully the next one with Christian will be in his Bronco. Alrighty, see you. Peace.